Hi class! I miss you so much. I hope you know that I am constantly thinking about you and reminiscing on all of our fun activities and really sad that we're missing out on some of the other fun activities, but it's okay because this is just where we're at and we'll get through it. All right, so I hope you guys are all doing well. I hope your families are doing well and you're staying healthy and you're able to still do some fun activities outside and inside. And I hope that you guys aren't feeling too stressed with our distance learning. I hope everything is going well. Remember, you guys can ask me any question, reach out at any time if you feel like you need help or more support, let me know. That's what I'm here. Don't ever apologize for asking questions. You can ask a million questions in a day, and I'm happy to answer them all. Okay, guys? So I wanted to go over our schedule for this week. Okay, so of course we're still going to do our Flipgrids check-ins. I'm leaving comments on those, so make sure that you check those comments out. Morning work, we're doing list 37 this week. There are more root words. We have 20 words. Make sure you guys are doing, on the activities, make sure you're not just doing the funnest activity that maybe isn't helping you learn the words. There's a lot of really good spelling activities on there. If you feel like you don't know which ones to do, that will really help you. Let me know and I can give you some, I can let you know the names of some really good ones, okay? But try some different ones that you haven't tried. Try to do the ones that actually really challenge you so that you can really start practicing those spelling and vocabulary words, okay? We are going to do our, I said Zoom meeting, but our Google Meets meeting. I'll make sure I put that link on in the morning. We're going to do it at 10 o'clock. It's a little bit different than Zoom, but we'll figure out all of the best way to let it work, okay? But I'm excited to see all your guys' faces. It's always my favorite time. Then we more right source, and I'm still going to have you guys be correcting those. So remember, you'll do Monday, and then Tuesday I'll post that answer key, and then you guys can grade those, okay? And if you are getting those wrong, I want you to be able to look at those and see why you got it wrong and be able to know why you got that wrong. Math, there are some videos on there. If you need to watch those videos, you can. If you're confused on doing any of the problems, I have videos on there showing how to do all of the problems. However, if you feel like you need more help, we can do, as long as your parents are there, we can do a Google Meets meeting and we can work through those problems together, okay? Make sure you're still working on your ABC books, your research books. Now make sure that you do choose a topic with those that you can actually research. I know some of you are asking to do some video games or video game characters, which is so awesome and so fun. However, I want to make sure that you can be able to do some pretty in-depth research with that, okay? So if you feel like you can't do all of the requirements that are asked of you for that project, maybe you can switch to something else. If you need help coming up with ideas, let me know. I can help you. We can brainstorm some really cool ideas, okay? If you do not have a partner for that and you want one, I made a sign-up sheet on our Google Classroom that I want you guys to use, and I'll have you post on there that you don't have a partner and you want one, and I'll try to pair you guys up, okay? If you are working solo right now and you don't want a partner, that's fine. You can keep doing that. If you are working with a partner already, then you're fine. Keep working with your partner. If you guys need help getting in contact with each other, let me know, and I can also help you with that. I would recommend you guys splitting up. Maybe you do every other letter. So partner A will do letter A, C, etc., etc. Okay, so you can, that way you guys don't always have to be on at the same time, but you can work at your own pace. If you guys want to be on at the same time or you want to do some type of Google Meet, just make sure you have your parents' permission and they know that you're on there, okay? Then we are going to be starting our essay outline. So on Monday, I put that little intro video of the I Survived videos. You don't need to do anything for your essay on Monday. That's just your little intro and to kind of get your wheels turning and to start brainstorming some ideas for that, okay? I'll give you more information on Tuesday. I'm going to post a video on Tuesday of how we usually go through our outlines together and brainstorm. I'll be posting that video on Tuesday for you guys to use to help you brainstorm as well. If we feel like we need more with that, we can do a Google Meets and we can talk about it even more, okay? Make sure that you guys are doing your specials activities as well. Miss Indigo has been sending me weekly dance videos. So those are all posted, so make sure you do those dance videos. If you want to, I would love it if you have your parents record you, and you can send those to me on Dojo or through email or anything, and I want to see you guys doing that. That would be so great. I also posted under PE Miss Furness's Google Classroom, where she posts all kinds of new fun activities for PE as well. So if you don't want to do the ones that I have on there and you just want more options, she's posting some really good ones on there as well. If you guys need help getting onto Sora or any of the online libraries, let me know. I want you guys to still be doing a lot of reading. Try to read at least 20 minutes per day. I know for some of you, you guys are doing way more, and that's awesome. I'm glad that you guys are getting lots of reading time. Make sure that you guys are getting along with your siblings and listening to your parents. And just remember, I really miss you, and I love you, and I hope that I get to see you soon. And as always, reach out to me for questions. And if you need help with anything, let me know. Bye, guys. Have a great week.